up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brian and welcome back for another dance tutorial for you. For this segment, you can do it. We are going to teach you our fifth episode. So let's start. Alright, let's start. For the first 8, you're gonna go like this. So close your feet together, you're gonna go left. 1, 2, double, 3, and a 4. Then step to your left. 5, close 6, 7, drop on 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Alright, for the next 8, second 8, you're gonna go use your right overhead. 1 and a 2, close your feet. Then 3, jump on 4. Inside 5, 6, 7, and close. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, third 8. You're gonna use your hand, touch your shoulder, then at the same time step left and right and left. 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, then brush. 3, open 4, turn around. 5, 6, then do nay, 7, and 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, brush. 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. For the last 8, you're gonna cross to the back. At the same time, your head like coming. Boom. Again. 7 and go left, right, and left. Slide to your right. Hop. 5, 6, 7, then release and 8. Good job. Again. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Alright guys, let's do everything from the beginning. All 4 8s. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Perfect. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like the video, and please don't forget to subscribe and like our video and share it to others. And if you're having hard time to get the choreography, you can rewind it and pause the video. So we'll see you soon. Bye bye.